If you've noticed discolored patches of grass on your lawn, then you may be dealing with a common lawn disease. Or are you? You could be dealing with chinch bugs, a turf insect that will kill patches of grass and create areas that mimic symptoms of lawn disease. Failure to find these bugs may lead some homeowners down treatment plans that seem ineffective. So in this video, we'll show you how to find chinch bugs and treat them so your lawn can stay green through the growing season. To shop the products in this video and learn even more about chinch bug control, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the links in the description below. Chinch bugs are small insects growing to be about 1/5 of an inch in length. They are oval-shaped and they have white overlapping wings with a distinctive black patterning. Chinch bugs can kill grass by targeting healthy grass blades, piercing them, and sucking the nutrients out. Not only does this rob nutrients from the grass, but this process also releases a poison that slowly kills the turf. Chinch bugs are common throughout the US. However, warmer areas in the southern United States tend to see more chinch bug activity. Chinch bugs prefer higher temperatures, so they'll typically be active around sources that radiate heat. Because of this, dead grass patches caused by chinch bugs will usually start to form around the edges of concrete. These patches could also form in areas that have constant exposure to sunlight. A sure sign of chinch bug activity is if large patches seem to spread starting from the edge of concrete. These patches will have a distinguishable pattern of spots of either healthy grass or weeds. Check your lawn for chinch bugs and signs of chinch bug activity. Look for any discoloration of turf grass in your yard. Then proceed to do an overall inspection of the entire lawn. If you found any discolored patches, you'll need to take a closer look to confirm for chinch bug activity. One method can be done with your hands. Along the edges of discolored patches, simply press back on different segments of turf and comb the area for any live chinch bugs. Chinch bugs are attracted to moisture, so watering these areas can coax the chinch bugs towards the grass surface. Another inspection method involves using a cylindrical object like a coffee can. Remove the lid and the bottom end of the can. Drive the can about 3 inches into the ground, close to the edges of discolored patches. Then fill the can about 3/4 of the way with water. You'll need to continually add water to maintain the level for about 10 minutes. Occasionally agitate the water while you wait. If chinch bugs are present, they will float to the surface. Once you've confirmed the presence of chinch bugs in your lawn, then you can proceed to treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of chinch bugs, you'll need to use insecticides labeled for chinch bug control like Bifen LP and Reclaim IT. Bifen LP is a granular insecticide that will need to be watered into the soil to activate, so we also recommend following up with a broadcast treatment of Reclaim IT. These insecticides together will get rid of chinch bugs by applying product throughout your turf's surface level. To start, calculate your treatment area's square footage by measuring the area's length and width and multiplying them together. You'll use this to determine how much product you need to use. Treating just the spots you've found chinch bugs in won't guarantee they won't move to other areas, so for effective treatment, you'll make a broadcast treatment of Bifen LP over your entire lawn. Bifen LP is a granular insecticide, so we recommend using a push spreader to apply the labeled rate of 2.3 to 4.6 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Chinch bugs can be difficult to treat during the summer due to large population spikes in nymphs and adults, so you may use the higher application rate when necessary. Be sure not to go over the maximum annual rate of 400 pounds of product per acre per year. Load your spreader with the proper amount of Bifen and evenly distribute all of it throughout your treatment area. Broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across your area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once you've finished your Bifen application, water it in with an application of Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. Reclaim IT won't only aid in activating the Bifen granules, but it will also provide effective control of many other turf pests for up to 90 days. To treat for chinch bugs with Reclaim, apply the labeled rate of 0.5 fluid ounces of Reclaim per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We recommend using a 20-gallon hose end sprayer since you will be making broad applications throughout the entire lawn. And you want to use enough water to push the Bifen granules and Reclaim treatment down into the soil. To treat isolated areas of turf, you may also use a 1-gallon hand pump sprayer. To use the 20-gallon hose end sprayer, remove the reservoir from the nozzle. Make sure the sprayer's control valve and your water pump are off, then attach the nozzle to the hose. Add the proper amount of Reclaim IT, then fill the reservoir with enough water to treat the entire lawn. To make sure you thoroughly coat the area and water in the Bifen granules, use 2 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Double check to make sure your control valve and water pump are still off, then reattach the reservoir to the nozzle. Once you've ensured a tight connection, you can now turn the water on. To spray, push forward on the control valve. To stop, simply pull the valve back into the off position. To kill chinch bugs in your lawn, evenly distribute the entire amount of product over your treatment area. As you make your application, keep an eye on the amount of product you have left in the sprayer's reservoir. When the liquid in the reservoir runs out, no product will be applied. The strategy to prevent chinch bugs mimics common practice to prevent lawn disease. Stressed grass will exacerbate chinch bug damage, so keeping your grass healthy will reduce and keep down symptoms to unnoticeable levels. Rake and dethatch your lawn to aerate your grass and maintain airflow. This will help nutrients and sunlight reach your turf, and also facilitate evaporation and drainage so chinch bugs won't be encouraged by additional moisture. When watering your lawn, water properly. Your lawn needs 1 to 1.5 inches of water every week, whether that's through rainfall or irrigation. Water your lawn once a week on the same day in the morning. It's better to water deeply once a week than to do it a little every day. A deep watering schedule will ensure your grass gets the water it needs while shortening the window for potential chinch bug activity. Be sure to stick to a proper mowing schedule to reduce thatch. Your grass should be 3 to 4 inches in height, and mowing should remove no more than 30% of its current height. You'll typically mow once a week during your grass's growing season. Be sure not to over-fertilize your lawn. Excessive fertilizer will not only encourage thatch formation, but will also encourage the development of lawn disease. If you find it necessary to fertilize your lawn, try using a slow-release fertilizer to reduce risk. Finally, be sure to conduct follow-up applications of Bifen LP and Reclaim IT every 3 months to ensure total control of your lawn. These applications will not only stop chinch bug activity from taking place, but these products also have a broad control spectrum designed to stop other pests as well. Chinch bugs are destructive turf pests that will kill grass and create patches that look like lawn disease, but you can control them yourself with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. These products will help you get control of your chinch bug problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.